Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll just be making a quick little L bracket in Fusion 360 and then using it in Bambu Studio so that we can 3D print it. Starting out here just by changing the unit of measurements to inches instead of millimeters. I prefer to work in inches. Then we're just gonna grab a rectangle tool and expand it out to our desired dimension. And once you have your desired dimension, you'll just push finish sketch and you'll see that right here, and then you can click on this, it'll turn blue, and then push E for extrude or right click and hit extrude. It'll ask you how far to bring it out. I just brought it out 0.125 inches or an 1/8 inch. And now I'm creating a sketch on top of another object. So you just click on that face, right click and create sketch, and I'll let you draw another rectangle like I just did. And now we're going to hit E for extrude after clicking on it and pull it up to our desired height, or extrude it to our desired height. Right here I'm just adjusting for the width of the material. I didn't take that into consideration, so there it is. Now it's equal on both sides. And to strengthen this bracket, I gave it a little chamfer just right on that, right where both pieces meet. Just pulled it out a little bit. Alright, that's looking good. Now we need to add some holes for screws. So I just clicked on this face here and we're going to create another sketch. Now you can use construction lines. I'm clicking on the line tool over here. Alright, there's the line tool. And then if you click on this button right here, that's a construction line, so it's not actually drawing a line, it's just a reference point basically. And then I'm going to split this right down the middle, horizontally and vertically, and that's my center point for my screw hole. Now I'm just clicking on the circle. I need to turn off the construction line, just like I did. Now this is actually creating a line that I can then use to extrude. Now instead of extruding up like we did earlier, we're going to pull this one down or cut it. You can either type it in right here, or there's a nice feature right here that you can click and it will always cut all the way through the object. It's right there, all. Now I'm just going to repeat the process on this other side. Once again, using construction lines to find the center point. Once that's good, grabbing a circle tool, turning construction line off, and creating a circle on this sketch that I can then extrude or cut. All right. Oh yeah, I'm adding a little bevel here on these screw holes just for the screw head to be able to have somewhere to go and rest so that it's a flush mount. Now we're finished with the design. We're going to pull it into Bambu Studios and then we're going to clone it. We need 20 of these, so I'm going to right click on it, hit clone, and then type 19. There's 20, just like that. I'm going to change it to the correct material, slice plate, and send it on its way. And here's the final piece. Came out great. Super easy to do. Happy with it.